Basic Terms and Definitions. In this module, you will learn the basic terms and definitions related to geometry. You may know what a line is. A line is a continuous extent of length and has no thickness. The arrows on both sides of a line represent that the line extends in both directions endlessly. Shown here is a symbol for a line AB. A part of a line with two endpoints is called a line segment. Shown here is a symbol for line segment PQ. If three or more points lie on the same line, they are called collinear points. Otherwise, the points are called non-collinear points. A part of a line with one endpoint is called a ray. Shown here is a symbol of a ray CA. When two rays start from the same endpoint, they form an angle. The two rays are known as arms, and the same endpoint is known as vertex of the angle. Depending on their measure, angles are classified as acute, right, obtuse, straight, reflex, and complete. An acute angle measures between 0 and 90 degrees. A right angle measures exactly 90 degrees. An obtuse angle measures between 90 degrees and 180 degrees. A straight angle measures exactly 180 degrees. A reflex angle measures between 180 degrees and 360 degrees. A complete angle measures exactly 360 degrees. Now let's learn about special pairs of angles. Two angles whose sum is 90 degrees are called complementary angles. Two angles whose sum is 180 degrees are called supplementary angles. When two angles have a common vertex, one common arm, and their non-common arms are on the different sides of their common arm, they are called adjacent angles. Look at these angles. B is their common vertex, ray BD is their common arm, and rays BA and BC are their non-common arms. The rays BA and BC are on the different sides of the ray BD. So, angle ABD and angle CBD are two adjacent angles. Also, the sum of the two adjacent angles is always equal to the angle formed by their two non-common arms. If two non-common arms of two adjacent angles form a straight line, they are called linear pair of angles. Now let's learn about vertically opposite angles. When two lines intersect each other, they form four angles with a common vertex. Out of these, the pairs of angles which have a common vertex but no common arm are known as vertically opposite angles. Here, pairs of vertically opposite angles are angle AOD and angle BOC, and angle AOC and angle BOD. Now let's learn about lines. Two lines may be intersecting or non-intersecting. Two lines which meet at a point on producing are called intersecting lines. In contrast, two lines which never meet on producing are called parallel lines. The length of the common perpendiculars at different points on these parallel lines is the same. This equal length is called the distance between the two parallel lines. In this module, you have learnt the basic terms and definitions related to geometry.